Hi guys, so we are at Arinta. We are at Arinta WaterFalls. Is it the fourth or fifth floor?
This is the sixth floor.
This is the sixth floor. We came from the first to the sixth floor. So keep watching as we explore.
Guys, this is Olusola Reality bringing you one of the biggest waterfall in West Africa through CAA Camp Adventure Africa to your doorstep. So guys, you are welcome. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, on today's episode we are exploring one of the biggest waterfalls in West Africa. So this waterfall is located in Nigeria in West Africa, and the west region of Nigeria, which is the state is called Ekiti State. So guys, this waterfall is located in Ekiti State, Ole area, to be specific. So guys, this waterfall is so massive. I mean, this is one of the challenging, one of the breathtaking and awesome experience you could ever imagine. And this is one of the waterfalls being visited most in West Africa. I mean, this is so massive. So I'll be taking you through this route. I mean, from where you parked till when you get to the last, the first floor. I mean, the first waterfall. So it's more of 20 to 30 minute trek before you get to the waterfall. I mean, from where you park your cars. But there is no problem. Everywhere is safe, well guided, and all. As you can see, the route is awesome. I mean, the route is preparing you ahead and everything. So guys, this is an experience that you will love. After watching this, you will love to book your flight, book your bus tickets, and find your way to this waterfall. Okay, so this part is very rocky part. I mean, there's a lot of rocks and all. So coming here, that's if you don't want to tour to the last floor, which is the seventh floor. You just want to stay at the ground floor, like you can see here. You'll be seeing at the end of this video where you can put on your Crocs, and yes, you can put on your Crocs and flex come. But if you actually want to see it to the last floor, so I will advise that you, as you are coming with your Crocs, put on your jungle boot too as well, because it is more of climbing and ropes. I mean, as you can see, so this rope gets to the last floor. So on this video, we'll just be reaching the sixth floor. The seventh floor is, well, nothing really much to see at the seventh floor. The seventh floor is just a narrow path from where the water actually channels from. So if you actually want to see to the seventh floor or any floor from the ground floor, I will advise that you should put on your jungle boot. I mean, that's the best, so as to avoid any form of accident and all. But when we are talking about the security, everything you can think of, yes, it is well taken care of and it's actually awesome. There is nothing to fear about. So come with your suit, I mean swimming suit and everything. So guys, this is Arinta Waterfall, and it's been it's been discovered by a white man. I mean, people have been living here before and they are still saying it's being discovered by a white man. My question is, what about people that have been living here? Why are you still saying white man? But that's a story for another day. So guys, it's an awesome experience. Let's go. Okay, so when you are coming to this waterfall, come prepared. I mean, you can see that it's very challenging one. I mean, it is very challenging and breathtaking. So come prepared. If you can come with your energy drinks or with your glucose, So, but just prepare your mind. I mean, if you prepare your mind that this is what I'm up to and this is what I am up for doing, you may not even need all those things. So, but at the same time, still have it in your corner. Stay tuned as we'll be taking you through this journey, and I mean, it's more like you are climbing with us. And also, guys, stay tuned. And lest I forget, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to comment. I mean, most important, subscribe, comment and like, and tell me your view about this place. Have you been here before? Do you have it in your plan of coming here, or do you actually like to come here if you have the opportunity? So guys, let's meet on the comment section, and thank you. Don't forget to share to your loved ones, like, and subscribe as well. So thank you. So guys, let's go. No wonder someone should help those ones at the front now, so that I'll be able to move faster.
Be careful here. You are not go. Thank you. Sorry, adventure. You keep adventure. Adventure will die.
Just give me one of your hands. People should keep going, keep going, keep going.
Guys, so we are at Arinta. We are at Arinta WaterFalls. This is it the fourth or fifth floor?
This is the sixth floor.
This is the sixth floor. We came from the first to the sixth floor. So keep watching as we explore the city or small town of Ekiti State. We are still hiking down or descending. What do I call it? We are going down to the first floor of Arinta WaterFalls. It's not really a good night. Careful.
No, we are.
Let me just say.
Stand.
What like that?
Are you good? You are good. You are good. One of you used to sing that song, go. Now for you to practice, I believe I can fly. You couldn't practice it now. Oh yeah, fly. You are flying from there to down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah now. Oh, that one is not flying. I'm not accepting that one. Yeah, the water is so heavy and therapeutic. I mean, you staying in the water will be beating your body. All your bones and flesh will feel afresh. I mean, that's the beauty of nature, you know. So guys, thank you for watching and staying tuned. See you on the next episode. Olusola saying bye.